Beach on the weekend. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta Beach during the sunset time, just keep stay in touch. Okay, the sunset just been done, and now I will show you how busy this area today. You see down there, there's a tourist. Okay. Let's go up closer. Yeah, I'm so sorry because this camera without stabilizer. But I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta Beach during the sunset time. Hello, Kidai mate. Welcome back to Bali. You see this area? It was tourist today. Hi, Kidai mate. Bintang time. Yeah, been 2 years. I miss this area. Yeah, very beautiful. With the tourists, more beautiful.
Good to be back.
Yeah, good to be back. It's been 2 years. Very quiet for Bali. We are dying, but now we can breathe again.
Welcome, smile.
Okay, thank you. Okay, it's more tourists today. So many tourists, isn't it? That's really good. Hello. How are you? Where do you come from? Australia or Dutch? Oh, only Australia. Because it's good to be back for Bali. It's been 2 years very quiet, and now step by step getting better.
Been 2 years now.
Yeah, really? Oh, before the pandemic.
Yeah, we booked in May.
Oh wow. Kidai mate. Bintang time. Yoo-hoo. Oh, it was busy today here. You see? Kidai mate. Welcome back to Bali. I love that. 2 years no tourist in Bali. Now I can smile again. Thank you very much. You see, even the hotel, there's some people stay there now. It's a bit busier than before. Kasoon Kak Samsul, Samsul Ikram, kasoon. Juhri, kasoon. Okay, now I just keep walk around on Kuta Beach and I will show you how busy this area today. Sorry. Sunset just been done, but still long stories there. Hello. You have nice smile. Still pretty, like 25 years old.
You get a long way.
Oh my God.
Full of bullshit.
No bullshit, it's true. Nice smile. Sorry, the camera was up, down, and up, down. Okay, keep walking around. Hello, Kidai mate.
Run TV, hello.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome.
Enjoy the sunset, eh?
Run TV.
Brown TV, yeah, got it.
Mana one? Black one? Oh, no, like banana. Maybe later. I've got no money.
I pay you for free. Just kidding. G'day mate, g'day mate. Welcome back to Bali. Bintang time. Have a great day, eh? India, कुछ को होता है कभी खुशी कभी गम Okay, let's keep look around and see how busy this area today. See, there's a lot of tourists today. That's really good. Hi, brother.
Best warm mate. Well, this is warm
Rame gak? This, oh, sorry, the camera. I think I have to lock the camera.
Never too well.
You see this area? It's busy, isn't it? That's really good. It's been like Bali getting better and better again. And more tourists come to Bali now. Let's see the view for the sunset. Yeah, actually the sunset already done about 20 minutes ago. Hello! Okay guys, so thank you for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!